Hi, Sarah here with a Plan With Me video for you today. I am using this Christmas Cuties collection by Fab Planner Print. There's various different formats for this. I'm using the Erin Condren one. I'll be using about half of this kit, maybe a bit less, on this spread, and then I can use it again for another week. I'm also going to be using a bit of washi from my stash. I'm using this red one here, as well as a glitter silver, which matches really well with the Christmas Cutie kit. If you'd like to get a hold of the kit, then I can give you my discount code, which is 10Sarah, which will get you 10% off in the shop, and I'll leave links below for the kit and the shop homepage, as well as the Facebook group where you can see what other people have done with their kits and get notifications of when there's going to be sales, etc. So first off, I've just laid down the washi from my stash, and I'm just now adding in the ribbon headers from the kit and the glitter headers as well along the bottom there. And then right at the end, I'll just flip over my pages and trim all the excess washi away. Now I'm just adding my days of the week. I didn't really want to cover up any of the bows, but I needed that space, so I had to cover them up a little bit there. But I did trim out that last one that didn't fit on to put at the bottom. I've added in some ombre boxes for my to-dos for the week. That still leaves me with the sculpt ones to use on a second page, and I'm just adding in a box for my meals, as well as a cleaning list for what room I'm going to focus on each day, rather than just the general clear up for each room. On Friday I have an event to go to, so I'm just adding in that glitter flag there. It's the bin day on Tuesday, so I've added that glitter bin day one in there, and now I'm just using this space here to add in my schedule for what I want to get filmed and edited, uploaded and shared on Instagram, etc. So as far as I'm concerned, because I am a stay-at-home mum, that is my work currently. I've added the cute little gingerbread man. I love that little character, he's so cute. So I've added him in there. I've added a few tiny boxes across the top. Those are for me to write down my partner's work schedule, because his schedule changes every week. And now I'm just decorating with a few extra little deco stickers there. I have got more. I did get the extra full sheet of deco stickers so that I can add lots onto the other week that I'll be doing with this kit as well. And now I'm just adding some cute little kawaii stickers, which I have from other companies. So I've got Happy Cutie Studios and Chocho and Mimi, and I'm just adding a few in here and there. There's the countdown stickers, some Christmas TV ones, and some cute little cleaning and sort of to-do ones, exercise, etc. And then the cute little koala over my Friday, which is my event day. I do off camera add in also a little, I think it's a cake I add on Monday, or some balloons for my partner's birthday, and I think that's about all I do. So that is my spread for this week. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you check out Fab Planner Print. There's loads of beautiful Christmassy sticker kits to choose from over there. Have a great day everyone, and see you soon. Bye.